And now, for this week's Life Ninja Lesson. Lesson number 5. Learning to dance in the rain. One of my favorite sayings is, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. And it couldn't be more true. In life, there is no escaping challenge. Everyone must face it at some point or another. The truth is, though, we don't really wish to escape it. For those things which challenge us, those things which stretch us, are the very catalysts that end up catapulting us into wiser and stronger versions of ourself, drawing us closer and closer to living the life we've always dreamt of, the life of our greatest destiny. So how exactly do we dance in the rain when all we can see is us getting wet? One tool that helps us is a tool called 3 positive things. To use this tool, as soon as challenge or adversity rears its head, regardless of the situation, we immediately point out 3 positive things about the seemingly negative or challenging situation, keeping in mind that it doesn't matter how ridiculous they might be. Here's one example. Let's say we're driving at night and we get a flat tire. Instead of immediately going down a slippery slope of negativity and launching into a train of thought that begins with us being late and snowballs into a horrible experience, we immediately grab the wheel of our attention and point out 3 positive things about the situation. 1. The flat tire occurred at night, and since the sky was clear, we were actually able to do a little stargazing while we waited for the tow truck. 2. The tire blew out near the city, where we had excellent cell phone service. We could have been in the middle of nowhere with no way to contact anyone. 3. Thanks to the tow truck driver who was studying to be a chef, we now know how to properly prepare a balsamic reduction for roasted Brussels sprouts. What happens to us may not be under our control, but the way we respond to it always is. The truth is, once we make it a habit to find something positive in any situation, we begin to find 1,000 positive things in any situation to be thankful for. And the greater our mastery, the more we can see. Remember, friends, the puddle is our playground. What opportunity do you see hidden in the rain? Brought to you by the LifeNinja.com.